Nanyang Baby. This is Barbie, and today I'm very excited because we are about to unbox the exclusive Christmas box of Nanyang Basics. So, let's go! Alright! Yan, baby. Yeah, parang ang daming laman. Oh my gosh. Tapos kung naka-gold na siya. Perfect for gifting talaga. Okay. This one is the Nanyang Basic Vitamin C Effervescent Tablet Soft Drinks. Actually, kailangan ko. Parang in 40 grams. So, perfect for small bags. For the girls on the go, like me. Kakainin ko lang ito kung yung umaga bago ko ito. Kaya kita nyo naman. Glowing tayo. So, ayan. Yan po ang laman ng exclusive Christmas box ng Nanyang Basic, which you can avail on December 9, 7 p.m. on my very first Grand Live on TikTok. Kaya sana po may samahan their Grand Fiesta Sale on TikTok. And you can search Nanyang Barbie to get exclusive vouchers. At limited lang po ito kaya paunahan ito.